What's up everybody, and welcome back to Project Complete. There's been a lot of stuff going on here, trying to clean up the garage and all that good stuff. We've moved, so I'm remodeling a whole nother house. Today's video is sponsored by American Modified and American Modified Off-Road. They sent me some really cool taillights that they wanted me to unbox and install for you guys. So today we're going to uninstall the old ones that I have on here and reinstall these new ones. They were nice enough to send me these lights for you guys so I could show you guys how to install them, what they look like, and we're going to go over the quality compared to the other aftermarket lights that I have. So let's look at the difference between these two tail lights. These are from American Trucks right here. These guys right here are from American Modified. They are much more of a stock look. They have the chrome accents and the lenses are kind of almost textured, whereas these ones are more like a clear and you can kind of see the bulbs in them. So first thing I noticed about these ones is really nice quality. They come with the caps ready for install. All you have to do is plug and play with your wiring. The American Trucks ones that I picked up are made in Taiwan, and these ones are made in China. If you guys do like these ones, there is a link for you down in the description, and it helps support my channel. It's actually good timing for me to go ahead and install these lights. I actually had a tail light bulb out anyways, so I was going to pull them out, and I'll show you guys how to change out those bulbs also. Alright, so let's get to installing these. These lights are very self-explanatory. There's only 2 bolts right here, and it's an 8mm socket. And all you have to do is take those out, and there's little pins on each of the back of the lights right here and right here. All you have to do is go ahead and pull those out. Maybe you'll have to do a little bit of prying. If you do, go ahead and use a plastic pry bar. It'll help you get them out a little bit easier. So this is what the back side of the light looks like. When you go ahead and take these light bulbs out, there's just going to be 1, 2, and 3. So you have 2 tail and turn signals, and then 1 reverse light. Don't pull them off from the clips. Clips are very brittle, and I've already broken one off. All you have to do is twist the bulbs and take them out that way.